How do we say, I don't understand in Bisaya? So, the phrase to say is, wala ko kasabot. Again, the phrase to say in Bisaya to indicate that you don't understand, wala ko kasabot. Wala ko kasabot. And then you can follow up with, pwede nimo usabon? Can you repeat that? Pwede nimo usabon? Can you repeat that? So again, the phrases to remember when you can't understand what the other person is saying is, wala ko kasabot. I don't understand. Wala ko kasabot. Pwede nimo usabon? Can you repeat that? Or you can be more specific. Pwede nimo usabon imong gisulti? Pwede nimo usabon imong gisulti? Can you repeat what you just said? And that's it for today. Hope you learned something new. Again, this is Teacher Joanne. Hangtod sa sunod. Salamat!